Okay, dear students. Next, after this problem, we'll try to find out another one, another important problem that we can find out. So, suppose u equal to x square minus 2xy minus y square. Find f of z is analytic. Find f of z such that u is equal to real part of f of z. Find f of z which is analytic. I can write that which is analytic such that u is equal to real part of f of z is given. So first of all we should find out whether it is analytic or not. If it is satisfying the harmonic function, then it is an analytic. So let what is given here. Given u is equal to x square minus 2xy minus y square. Now we'll try to find out ux. Ux is nothing but equal to 2x. We differentiate with respect to x, 2x minus 2y. Okay, again uy I'll write uy with respect to y. So this is minus 2y and this is minus 2y, minus 2x, and this is minus 2y. With respect to y I am differentiating. Okay, this is ux and uy. So again I'll differentiate this one with respect to x. Again I'll differentiate with respect to x. Now this is what you get. This is 2 and this is only 2, remaining is 0. And this one uy again with respect to y, we may get as minus 2. So this is minus 2. Now I may write as uxx plus uyy is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So given u is harmonic function. What we found is u is harmonic function. So when u is harmonic, v is the harmonic conjugate of u. So therefore ux we know anyhow. So therefore we can write ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx. Uy equal to minus vx. So ux equal to, what is ux? 2xy. So vy is equal to 2x minus 2y. Okay. Then again uy is minus 2x. So therefore minus vx equal to minus 2x minus 2y. I may write as vx equal to 2x plus 2y. Okay. Now I'll take this. I'll take vx equal to 2x plus 2y. I'll integrate on both sides with respect to x. So therefore this is vx. Y will be the constant. So dx. This is 2 into x dx plus 2y integral dx. Now this will become as v. This become as x square, because x square by 2 gets cancelled. This is 2yx. But this one again I'll differentiate with respect to y. So this is vy is equal to, this is anyhow 0. This will be what? 2y. So where this is nothing but c of some constant you have to take, no? C of y, because with respect to dx we are taking. So I am taking constant with respect to c of y. So therefore 2 of y plus this is what? C dash of y. Okay. If we differentiate with respect to y, what is vy? Vy is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2y plus c dash of y. Now what we got here? 2x minus 2y and the 2y plus c dash of y we got. Okay. Yes, 2xy, right? Okay. Then so 2x minus 2y, right? What about c dash of y? C dash of y is equal to what? So vy is equal to, we got the value of v as x square plus c of y. So v of y is equal to 2x minus y. So if we substitute in the place of vy 2x minus 2y, this one, then how we are going to have vx plus 2y. Okay. 2xy, okay, 2py 2y with respect to this is, sorry, this is 2x, sorry, we are differentiating with respect to x, so we have made a mistake there, that is 2x, so this is 2x, this is 2x because we are differentiating with respect to y, so y means 2x, so this 2x gets cancelled, minus 2y is equal to c dash of y. Okay, therefore c y is equal to, that is differentiation, if you integrate then you will be getting as minus y square, you will be getting as minus y square plus some constant k. So we will substitute this one in this, so that is v is equal to x square plus 2yx plus, that is minus y square plus k. Now this is what we have. So therefore what we have here is u we have, and the v also we got, this is v and u. So f of z is equal to u plus iv. U is x square minus 2xy minus y square plus I into x square plus 2yx minus y square plus k. Now this is what you got. So you can reshuffle this one and you can make it in the form of some z square terms. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.